In this video, I will show you how to download and install ClaimWin without any error in Windows 11. If you want to download and install, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome and search ClaimWin download in search bar. When you search ClaimWin download in search bar, here you will find download ClaimWin free antivirus for Microsoft Windows. Click this link. When you click this link, here you will find download now version. Click this link. When you click this, here you have to wait for 5 seconds. After waiting for 5 seconds, you have to choose where you want to save this file. One Windows pop-up will become. And here I am choosing download folder. If pop-up window is not coming, you have to click again. Download now version. When you click again this link, again you have to wait for 5 seconds. And here process once again again you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. Then you have to click save. After choosing save, you can see in download option. When you press Ctrl plus J in your keyboard, you can see our file is downloading. We have to wait for some second. Next we will install it. Here you can see we have just downloaded ClaimWin. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going download folder where I can see my file. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click yes. After clicking yes, you have to click next. Then I accept the agreement. Then click next. Then only for me Mohit. Choose only for me. Then click next. Then click next. Then click next. Then click next. Then click create a desktop icon. When you click this, you have to again click next. Then click install. And our ClaimWin free antivirus software is installing. Again we have to wait for some time here. Then we will open it and we will use it. And you can see ClaimWin logo, antivirus logo. It means we have downloaded it and installed it successfully. Now we can use it. Here we have to wait for some time because we are additionally installing additional software that helps ClaimWin antivirus work more smoother. And after downloading it, we will open ClaimWin. If you want to stop this process, you can stop. It does not affect your ClaimWin software, but I will recommend do not stop it. After this process, you can open it, ClaimWin, and you can use it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.